Hello everyone and welcome back to the series of videos on HTML programming. This is part 2 and in this we will be learning the basics of HTML. Let's get straight into it. So let's first learn about what is a document type. It's usually written between two tags and you write that exclamation mark doc type and then you specify which document are you making, like is it HTML or XHTML or HTML or whatever you're making. So in this series we're learning about HTML, so we are going to just write doc type space HTML. Tags, they're the starting and ending point of that particular operation. They're like the capital letter at the start of the sentence and the period at the end. So you start anything, you must end it with that tag. Attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. They're usually, if you want to like style stuff, and then it's easy to recognize them. Like each person has a name, so you can recognize him by that name. The same way you can recognize the tags by the name, the attribute. So that's it, enough of talking and just let's get coding. But first we're gonna save this as index.html. You can choose whatever you want, and then I've created a folder called HTML tutorials and I'll just save in there. So we're good to go. Now we're gonna create another document and we're gonna save that too in the same folder called style.css. This is gonna be our style sheet. So let's get in but that's advanced stuff, so I'll teach you in the next tutorials. But for now, let's just keep it ready. So let's start. We always start with the document type. So doc type HTML. And we're good to go. So now we start our HTML tag and we end our HTML tag. And I forgot to mention that we always put our slash / to end and tag. First thing we do is create the head, end the head, create the body, and end the body. The head is basically where you link this style sheet and you put your header. So let me just run this. So now you can see that we have nothing. But this is the head basically. So you can type your head in over here. Okay, so the first thing we do is make our title. So we make our title tag, we end our title tag, and then we just type whatever title we want. Our title is going to appear over here, where you can see it's written index.html. Let's just put title for now, and you save it, and then you go back to your browser and refresh, and there you go, we have our title written. The second thing I would like you to do is link our style sheet. So link rel equals style sheet href equals style.css and type equals text/css. Okay, so we're good to go. For the link tag, you don't need to write another tag. You can just put a slash after it at the end, and it's gonna end the tag. So now you save it, and we have it linked. So now if we type anything here and whatever, we can edit it. So let's type a test code. Let's make a paragraph. P stands for paragraph, by the way. So let's type this is a HTML tutorial. Wow. Save it and refresh, and there you go, we have our paragraph. And as I was saying, we can style it by just saying, we can style our whole body if you want, but for now I'll just style the paragraph. So paragraph, and now if you want the color to be red, save that and refresh, and we have it red. And if you want the font weight to be bold, save it, refresh it, and now it's bold. So this is a bit advanced stuff, so I'll be teaching you this in the next few tutorials. But for now, you just need to know how it goes on. And if you don't get it, please comment below and I'll try my best to help. So I would like to cover one more thing in this tutorial, which is the H tag. H1 and H. There are 6 tags like that. It's H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So they're according to, H stands for header. So H1 is the biggest header, like your main header, and H2 is a bit smaller than that. It's like a subheader, and then there are more smaller and smaller. It's into parts. So if you write this is a HTML tutorial, save that and refresh, you can see that this is our main header. And now if you want, you can style it. I'll be teaching you how does this work later, but for now you can just get a bit idea of it so that you know what you're gonna be doing. And then you can say text text align center, and save that and refresh it, and there you go, it's like a header. So that's it for this tutorial, everyone. Thank you for watching and have a great day.